Hi guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, we are doing a quick beginner-friendly eyebrow routine, something that I have discovered recently and I wanted to share with you guys. Just very simple brows for beginners like myself. So if you want to see how I got here, the products I used and all of that, make sure you keep on watching. But first, if you're not subscribed, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell notification button so you're notified every time I post new videos because I'm here daily and you don't want to miss me because who wants to miss me? Nobody. And that's all I got to say. On to the video. Bye, guys. Oh, the camera want to act up on me today. I didn't have the microphone on, but you saw me use my ABH brow freeze to mold the brows up because you need something to put them in place. Some people use brow gel like I did. Some people use hair glue, not hair glue, hair gel, like that got to be hair gel. And then some people use eyelash glue. Then I took whatever loose translucent powder you have, and I have my KVD, and I just took that to put that on the brows to get rid of the shine. While making sure they're set into place. Next, lately I just been using like a dark brown eyeshadow to fill them in. So I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette, and it's going to be, what shade did I use? I think that was too dark. I took the shade Chip, just to give y'all a reference of how dark the brown is, on an angled brush that I probably got from like Shein or Temu or something. It's a very skinny brush. So I usually start at the bottom and trace the outline of my brows. And I go brow for brow. And then I do the top. My main thing is I don't have a tail or an arch. So that's what I be trying to achieve when I do my brows. Not so necessarily the front, but just to get a tail and an arch. So then take my brush and kind of hold it like sideways to create the hair-like strokes. I'm getting better with brows because at one point I used to just draw a straight line on my brows used to be extremely dark, and I thought I was doing something. But you know, over time, you get better and better with your makeup. You learn what you shouldn't have been doing all this time versus what you should have been doing. Do I think brows are the longest for me? No. Eyeshadow takes the longest for me. Brows, as you can see, if I wasn't really like talking to y'all, it would be done in like 2 minutes. I don't have a lot to do. And I will clean up underneath my brow. I hardly ever clean up on top because I feel like once I put on the foundation, my foundation, like that's going to clean up the top for me. So I'm just taking my brush, like I say, doing hair-like strokes in the front. And the powder, it doesn't move throughout the day, as you can see. One brow is probably bigger than the other. That's how my brows normally do. My brows are never going to be the same. I feel like if a person is like, Nana, why one brow bigger than the other, then you're like looking at me way too hard. Like you should just be glancing at me and be like, oh, her brows look good. Her brows look good. And I'll be like, okay, yeah. So then take a brush, a spoolie rather, and you're just going to brush that, make sure that product is brushed, blended very gently, as gently as you can be. Just brush it through. Then we're going to clean up the brow. We'll come back if we feel like we need to fill in it some more. But for now, we're going to just clean it up. And lately, I've been taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Suede. This is not so much of a bright uh, highlight shade. So that works for me. I'm not a really big, like, bright under eye. I mean, bright underneath the eyebrows. Like, underneath the eye, yeah. But, like, when cleaning up the eyebrows, no. I would rather it be, like, really close to my skin tone. I'm looking for my favorite brush, and I wouldn't be able to find it. My favorite brush, you know, we all have that favorite brush that we use to clean up underneath the brows and stuff. So this is a Morphe 170 brush. So that's what I love to clean underneath my brows. So get some of the concealer. And the key, if like your brows are not cleaned up underneath and you want like some coverage, is to let it sit for a while. So, and this brow is flat and it allows me to get really close to my brow without messing them up. It's small enough for that. I say, hey, why not do a brow routine with my buddies today? Being that y'all know whenever I do something new, I try to tell y'all what I'm doing new or different. Especially when I feel like I semi got it right a little bit. And we're just gonna let that sit for a minute before we blend it out, because then after we blend this out, we will go back and see what areas we're missing that need to be filled in just a little bit more. Yeah. Okay, guys, so we made it back with the completed brow look, and this is what I have been doing probably about the last week or so, and I find that it's easy for me. I'm the type that like pomades. I can work with the pencils are okay, but I prefer pomades, and as of recently I have been preferring eyeshadow. So you, even if you don't have like an eyeshadow, a eyebrow pencil, an eyebrow pomade, if you got a dark brown eyeshadow, go ahead and use it. It works, as you can see. My brows are not perfect, but they're perfect for me. And they're not as dark. So that's what I'm learning, to not make my eyebrows as dark as I normally do. Because, you know, sometimes I can get a little dark with it. Not intentionally, but yes, I think this is the perfect brown for my complexion, my skin tones. So drop down and let me know your thoughts. Also, let me know what brow products are your favorite, you know, affordable brow products. Nothing too expensive and too crazy. Just in case I might want to pick it up. Y'all know I love makeup, and give me any reason to shop. Just give me any reason to shop. But yeah, this is it. The face is in a totally different video, so be on the lookout for that. I'm not sure which one is going to come first. I don't know. But if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you like and comment, because it really helps my channel out a whole lot. And also, if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell notification button, so you're notified every time I post new videos, so that way you don't miss me over here in YouTube world. And I'll catch y'all later. Bye, guys.